Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix you do not have access rights to Logical Disk Manager error in Windows. Open user accounts. Click Change your account type. Type administrator password. Check administrator, click Change account type. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.